Welcome to GTAP Productions. Today I hope to demonstrate the three different sounds on these 360s. At the back, the EWS one has factory fitted sound, so just as it comes from Hornby. The centre one in three-tone grey has a TTS sound chip fitted and is again as the chip comes from Hornby. The blue mainline one at the front of the picture has the same TTS sound chip, but this time it's fitted with an iPhone speaker, so it'll be interesting to hear how much difference there is between the three and if it's worth spending the money on the more expensive chip or sticking with the basic chip. I'm going to start in a moment by starting each one up in turn and sounding the horn. You'll be able to hear the three different startups, or basically it'll be two different startups because the three-tone grey and the blue one do have the same chip, but you'll be able to hear any difference there might be between those two as far as the sound of the iPhone speaker and see what difference that makes. We'll start with 60048, which is the EWS one with factory fitted sound, and here's startup. Now 60062 in three-tone grey, and this is the standard TTS as supplied. The volume has been turned down a bit on this one. And finally, 60078 in mainline blue. This is a TTS chip with the iPhone speaker. I didn't fit it, this is how it came. A little bit more bass for this. And now each one in turn, I'll just run past the camera.